Hello friends, welcome to today's Do Not Get It Right with Sawan Kumar, and today we are gonna talk about what are we not getting it right today. We are not getting, you know what? Investing money. We will be stopping to invest money in 2021. And what are we going to invest in? Because we have to invest in, right? The till we have our life, we will always be investing. So what are we going to invest in? We have to start investing in time and start spending money. What we have been doing is investing money and spending time. What are you doing? Have you not been spending a lot of time and investing a lot of money? If yes, stop doing that in 2021 and you would see the difference. We from the very childhood, we are always said to do what? Save money, save money, save money, save every penny that you can. Do not do this, do not do that. You have to keep saving a lot of money. And what happens when you save those money? Saving money only makes you old. It does not make you rich. Remember this line: saving money will only make you old. It would never be making you rich. And what do the richest people do on this earth? The richest people are saving time, investing in time and spending money. So you have to start looking for ways to spend money, expend as much as possible, and start saving time. That is what is limited. That is what is not going to come back. The moment right now, the hour, the year, or the month, whatever it is not going to come back again. 2021 is going to be there only for you for the next 364 days. Sorry, 360 days. Yeah, so for the next 360 days, you are going to focus only on investing on time and not investing money. So, how do you do that? It's easier said than done. How do you do that? List out the things that you think you are wasting time with. List down all the things where you are spending a lot of time, but you are not making money with that time. Be it anything. Start from the morning, go till the night when you are on the bed, and even when you are on the bed, what you are doing. Figure out what are the things that you are doing that is making you spend your time but is not me helping you in making money out of it. Figure that out. Be it leaving your kids to school, dropping your kids to schools, buying vegetables, doing some grocery shopping, whatever you have been doing that has no value in terms of money. Figure those times out, and be it your home or be it your office, be it your work time or be it your house time, whatever time you are spending, figure out the times that you are wasting, figure out the times that you are not utilizing, figure out the times that is not productive, figure out those times where you are only spending time and not spending money. Figure out those times and work out on how you can utilize those times in a better way, in a way that helps you in making money. In place of saving money and spending time, you have to figure out how you can stop dropping your kid to school, how you can hire a driver to drop your kid to school, and in that same time that is saved because of having a driver, how you can utilize that time in training yourself, in investing on yourself, in working out, maybe in doing whatever you want to do. You have to figure out all those times that you are wasting and not investing, and figure out ways how you can do better, how you can improve that, how you can change that. You only have 24 hours in a day. It is all on you how you spend it, because the most richest person on this earth has 24 hours, and the poorest person on earth also has the same 24 hours. It is on you who decides how he spends his 24 hours. I could be hiring 100 people and getting 800 hours, 8 hours a day, 100 people, 800 hours of my work, in the same 24 hours. So I am buying hours by paying them salary. By paying them, I am buying their hours who would be working for me. So I have now 800 hours being worked for me, being worked for my dreams, being worked for me to grow in the same 24 hours. So how are you spending your 24 hours? How are you utilizing your 24 hours in 2021? Just figure out and focus on the one line that I said you. Stop spending time to invest in money. Figure out ways how you can invest in time and spend money. Figure out this way, because the rich people do that. Rich people do never spend time and save money. They do the otherwise. And you, if you want to grow rich, if you want to grow successful, if you want to get all that you have always wanted for yourself, you will have to start following this simple formula of investing in time and spending money, not the otherwise. If you understand this small thing, you would understand that money is everything that you have to got to be successful. And if you are wasting it, you're not wasting money, but you're wasting your time. So do not waste your time. Wish you all the best in getting successful today, tomorrow, and the year to come. We have this entire 2021 to build up with new habits, new work patterns, new workflows, and let's see how we can be successful together in 2021. Wish you all the best to a great success. Have a good day. Bye bye.